Anong ganap sa mundo ng showbiz? Minsan pa ay nag-alabist mode na naman si Chris ng isang netizen ang pumuna na naman ng kilos ni BMB. Komento ng isang bashers, pilantik ng mga daliri. Siyempre, as a mom, hindi ito pinalampas ni Chris. Aniya, you know I have had enough of this bullshit. If that's the only thing you can criticize about my son, then I have really done a fucking great job as a mom. On the other hand, I must say the fact that you choose to pick on the gestures of a 14-years-old boy says so much about your lack of propriety. I have shut up for too long, but I have had it. This is my feed, and you are bullying the wrong boy. I am not going to criticize you physically, but I will call you out on your lack of decency. You cannot handle attacking me, so you are attacking my son. You chose the wrong mom. I look forward to the day I see you face to face. Ano sa palagay nyo?
How do you feel, honestly, when you read those comments that they say you're gay?
Wala, I don't really feel anything. I just feel like, sige, if you think I'm gay, alright dude. But you do realize na the gay community sa Philippines is a strong community. And you do realize that I'm 13.
14 in a few
I'm
minutes.
14 in a few minutes.
So,
Parang, like, it did not go through my mind. Like, cause I know what I am. I'm straight. I'm straight as an arrow.
are you sure?
Yes.
No, I want to be, because I want to bring this out also. Whatever you are, I'll accept.
I'm as straight as one of our iPads.
What does it mean?
Cause iPads are straight.
Okay. No, because I really don't care, honestly. And, you know, parang whatever you choose to be, it'll be fine with me for as long as you excel.
Oh. Can you excel in being gay?
No, I mean,
Okay.
if you're gonna be gay, or whatever you're gonna be, you better be the best at the profession you choose to be.
Okay.
That's just my feeling. And I am so anti-homophobia.
Yeah, I love gays.
Yeah, but so,
I love LGBTQ.
yeah, so sagutin natin once and for all. Have you questioned yourself about
No,
that?
not at all.
So you like girls?
I love girls.
Don't love them too much yet. No, you can like them. That's fine.
Okay.
But later. But I'm allowing you, right?
Yes.
Because Lola allowed me to watch movies with boys when I was 12.
Who will I watch with?
I don't know. Well, look.
No, Here lang ha, I'll set the record straight.
Oh, go. Look at them.
I'm straight. I like women. I don't like boys.
Okay. Well, you know, Ben, whatever you choose to be, it's none of their business. Okay?
But I'm sure ako lang ha, they're entitled to their own opinion on what they think about me. Just as long as you don't like attack me.
Yeah.
Like if you say, uy, I think Bim's gay. But I respect that. I'll say, no, I'm not gay. But if you say, uy, Becky, si Bim kadiri, that's wrong.
Yeah, that's true. Because
As long as you debate with someone na
in an intellectual way.
At may
At walang
respeto ka
bastusan.
at may respeto ka sa tao, okay lang, sure. If you have different opinions, okay lang yan, sure.
Yes.
But-
Because that's what
but-
democracy is all about.
Yes.
Okay, so we're done with that.
Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, at kung gusto mo ng mga ganitong video, ay mag-subscribe ka na para maging updated ka sa mga bago kong ilalabas na video. At kung meron kang gustong i-promote, PM is the key.